Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear Instagram search suggestions. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you want to delete or clear your Instagram search suggestions. So here, go to the search option. And if you click on the search bar, there comes the search suggestions right here. And if you click on see all, here are your all recent searches and the suggestions that are currently in here. So as we want to clear everything, we will just click on clear all. And once we click on clear all the suggestions in my account will be cleared. And as I don't want to clear my one right now, I'm not clicking on clear all. So all you need to do is tap on clear all and your all search suggestions will be cleared. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one.